My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobil 1.
Hey Chris, I'm changing the fluids in my car, and I'm about to check the oil. Is there anything I should look out for, or any tips?
Well, yes, there is, and today at Auto Center, we're going to show you an in-depth look at your vehicle's motor oil. It's the lifeblood of your engine, and knowing how to check the condition of your oil is very important. Being able to see possible early warning signs can help you head off potential problems at the pass, saving you a lot of money in engine repairs. It can also help you determine what, if anything, is wrong with your engine. There are several different things to keep an eye out for when checking the condition of your oil. I've broken it down into an easy-to-follow 4-step process that you can do every time you check your oil level and make it a routine habit. Now here's what you're going to need to get this done. Some paper towels, some mechanics gloves, either some 3x5 index cards or some old white business cards that you've got lying around. Now that you've got your materials ready, check your oil like you would normally. Once you've checked the oil levels, it's time to start your new routine. The first step is to smell your oil. Yep, you heard me right, smell it. It should smell like, well, oil. Oil that's been broken down or lost its viscosity will smell burnt or sooty like a campfire or fireplace that's just been put out. The second step is to take the dipstick and apply several drops of oil to the index card or business card. Now let it soak a bit while you put the dipstick back. Now look at the oil on the back of the card. Make sure it isn't dark black or seems sticky or clumpy. Those are signs that your oil is very worn and could possibly lead to further engine damage. For the third step, take a close look at the color. Does the oil look milky or like oil and vinegar dressing with tiny droplets? Does it appear to have particles in it? These are signs of possible water or coolant in your oil or metallic shavings, which is an immediate sign of engine trouble. Your oil should have a caramel color and still somewhat transparent. And finally, the fourth and final step. Now you're going to have to get your hands dirty for this one. Remove your mechanics gloves and put some oil between your thumb and forefinger. It should feel, well, like oil, slippery and smooth. If it feels rough or chunky or gummy, then you know it needs to be taken care of right away. Another thing to take care of right away is your hands. Anytime you're working on your car, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. Now if it's time to change your oil, be sure to refer to our video on how to change your oil for the proper methods and tools to use. These 4 basic tests can tell you loads of information about what's going on inside your engine and help you spot any potential problems that might be looming in the future. It only takes a minute and can be the difference between an oil change and an engine replacement. I hope this simple routine helps you get a lot more life out of your vehicle. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.